In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is due to Allah. Respected guests, honorable teachers, and my dear brothers, I welcome you all. This madrasa teaches the Holy Quran and Hadith. Today I would like to introduce our madrasa Tanzimul Ahnaf Model Madrasa Cox's Bazar. It also teaches Bengali, English and science and mathematics and technology. The aim of this institution is to build a knowledgeable and well-mannered generation. Our respected Director Maulana Ibrahim Rohan Sahib leads this institution. Our teachers work hard for the development of students. May Allah bless this madrasa and accept all our efforts. Ameen. Wassalamu alaikum.